I'm Jamie, and in today's video I have a triple unboxing. I have two items from Chanel, a Bottega Veneta handbag, and an item from the brand Carrie. Now, it's been a while since I've unboxed anything from Chanel, and a lot of these items are from my last shopping vlog in downtown Chicago. I'll be sure to put that link so you guys can check that out. But let's get right into the unboxing. So let's start with these Chanel boxes. Okay, and we have the ballet flats. Okay, these are so classic. They're brand new, so you can see here. And I got these in a size 38. Of course, I love this classic pairing with the beige and the black. And if you recall, I did own a pair of these back a couple years ago when my husband bought them for me for Christmas. And I had them in a 37.5. Eventually they were able to break in, but I thought that if I was to purchase them again, I'd get them in a little bit bigger of a size. I don't know about you guys, but with Chanel, I tend to find Chanel shoes fit a little bit smaller. Yeah, that detail, look at that. That's a beautiful on that toe. Love that detail. So cute for summer and really all year round. This next pair is totally up my alley when it comes to my neutral aesthetic, and I actually don't own a pair of these, and I was just waiting for the right ones. And here we go. Go. They're Chanel sneakers in this beautiful blush color. I think they're perfect. You can kind of see there's a little bit of a suede detail in the back with that more understated Chanel. I love that detail. And they are super comfy. I tried them on and took these in a 38 as well. But I love them. I think they're gonna go with so many different outfits that I wear this year. I'm excited to finally have the perfect Chanel sneakers to my wardrobe. Give you guys a little heads up, I was sent this by the brand Carrie. They do bag holders and they reached out to me. I love this packaging, and I don't know about you, but when it comes to my handbags, my philosophy is if you're gonna be spending so much money on these handbags, you might as well get a good bag holder, and I think these are so essential. But you can see the beautiful detail here. This is in the rose gold. I love rose gold. They also come in gold and silver. I'll put their website below, but I'm gonna also put in some footage that you can see how easy it is to use this and just how it works whenever you go to dinner. You can just put it by the table, holds your bag. It's pretty secure. So thank you, Carrie, for sending this to me. Now the last item that we're all here for is my latest handbag unboxing. This item is brand new. I've only opened it from the box. I haven't actually looked at the handbag, so this will be the first time seeing the bag, and it's a little bit nerve-wracking. My Nordstrom, which is where I ordered this from, they only had the cassette bag, so a little hint, it's not the cassette bag, but they had to order this, so we will see. And guys, I think Bottega makes amazing leather. The colors, when it comes to those neutrals, and really all the colors, but the neutrals are so beautiful. This was a piece I've been wanting for a while. I'm just gonna get to it. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna get to this, and it's the beautiful clutch in the almond color. Is this not the perfect Bottega clutch for me? This one does feature that strap, and if you know about my handbag selection style, I love bags that have multiple ways that you can wear this bag. It's got the strap. You can use it as a clutch, and what I love is when I travel, it can easily be like put in another bag. I love this color. This is one of my all-time favorite colors from Bottega, and I've been thinking about it for a while because they're expensive. I think this piece is $23.50, and that last price, oh, I don't know. But I do love this piece, and I really thought about it given the most recent price increase. I think it makes so much sense for my collection since I really don't have like more of that evening type of bag that's small in this clutch style. And yes, I have thought about a Fendi first bag, but what I love is, one, it's more that compact size, easy to grab and go for the summertime. Plus, I love the leather. It's so buttery soft, and the weave is so iconic for Bottega. Honestly, I probably should have gotten this a long time ago. I never did, and whether or not it's Bottega and some of their bags are hyped or not trendy, I really, to me, it's more about what fits for my lifestyle, my aesthetic, and I'm excited because this is a beautiful handbag. I think I'm going to use this all year round, especially when my husband and I, when we go to dinner. I really don't carry a whole lot in my handbags, especially if I go out to dinner. We're talking lipstick, a card holder, my phone, and for the most part, that's pretty much it. I've really learned to downsize over the past, 2 years. So I think this is perfect. Are you guys Bottega fans? I'm excited to just continue to evolve my Bottega collection. There's some amazing colors. I think the porridge is beautiful. This is the almond, the caramel I love. I think they have some amazing ones that I would like to continue to add. It's always a little nerve-wracking when you get bags online and you can't check out the quality, but this one looks pretty good. I gotta see how this shade matches up to some of my other handbags, but it's a great like lighter neutral, perfect for summer. I really will use this all year round. I can't believe I finally have this one. It's so exciting. Okay guys, what do you think of all my unboxings? Thank you again to Carrie for sending me that amazing bag holder. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys in my very next video. Take care.